Hey guys, I'm Tyler Braun, COO. Today I'm going to show you how to pack up some larger items. So here we have a pair of NHT speakers. These are kind of like an older model but pretty high-end speakers. So we're just going to pack them and make sure that they arrive there safely, because it wouldn't make much sense for somebody to get a broken pair of speakers. So here we found a box. We just have a ton of different size boxes. Now what I like to do is, so with something like this, you could say I already kind of wrapped up the one speaker in bubble wrap. So what I'm going to do here is grab a bunch of this paper.
Yo, so Home Depot is the best spot for all your packing paper needs. Don't buy it off Amazon, don't buy it off eBay because it's too expensive. A 100-foot roll on eBay is roughly $25 and it's flimsier than this. This is for painting. It's what you lay down on the ground, and it's $11 a roll, right? And it's 166 feet. So you're just saving money right there. At least 10, 20 bucks each roll right there. Magic. And it's heavier too, which is nice.
I'm going to start to kind of line the bottom so that I have a cushion down there. So the goal here is to just completely surround these with like some padding, so when they inevitably get roughed up a little bit during shipping, they won't get scratched or broken. So I'm going to do a little more. Should probably be enough for now. We got this guy bubble wrapped pretty good here. I probably don't need to do it all the way around, but I'm going to, just in case. Main thing I'm doing here is protecting the corners. So the corners are generally, if it gets roughed up, it's what's going to start bumping into things. Corners are going to be able to puncture through our like paper and bubble wrap, maybe even out of the box, a lot easier than any other part of the item. So that's good enough for now. You don't want to spend too much time or too much material on packing, so we want to get it the safest as we can with the lowest cost possible. So I like to work quick, and I like to try to kind of figure out what's the least amount of packing material that I can use for something.
And there we go. All packed up and ready to go. Now I just need to weigh it, measure it, and then input that information into eBay and print out a label. Then after that, take it to the FedEx store. And then after that, count your profit.
Yeah. So you got 31 pounds. $22, $17, $30. Alright you guys, we also not only pack larger things, but we pack small things almost every day as well. So I'm just going to go through kind of like how we would pack these things. So these are all going US Postal Service. So something that's smaller but over a pound is going to go in our padded flat rate. These cost about $7 to send it anywhere in the US for the most part. So that's going there. This guy, I can just tell by looking at it, that's under a pound. That's just going to go first class. This is under a pound also. You would usually weigh, but I just happen to know. Under a pound. This is over a pound, so this is also going to go in a padded flat right here. So, yeah, pretty simple enough. Just weigh that. Yeah, cool. Got almost 2 pounds there. Just anything over a pound, but is small enough to fit in one of these guys. That's what you're going to want to use, for sure. Alright, so now we'll just slap some labels on them, ready to ship.
Easy.